2006 M. This is the fender light, aka the turn signal repeater. This is the rear side of the vehicle, front side of the vehicle. Someone wanted this, so figured might as well take this opportunity to record a video. How do you remove this? Pretty easy. You have a spring clip on the front side. You have a fixed hook clip on the rear side. So what you do is push it forward. Let's do this. Then pull it out. Then you can pull it backwards, and out it goes. So this is what I was telling you. This is fixed, and here you have a flexible end. On the way in, the best way to do it would be this. You want to insert the green plug, swing it this way such that the rear end goes in, and then just push. And that's it, nice and secure. So, question might be, why can't you just do the exact opposite of what you did on the way in that you have this corner first, on the way out, right? It was push it in. On the way out, it was push it in, then pull this out. Why can't you do it the other way? Since it's a spring clip, right? It works, but it's just way more force than I'd like to put in, personally. But I'm sure if you weren't so inclined, you could make it work. But yeah, that's my method. It's pretty simple to remove, really. Then, again, trying to do this with one hand. Turn this counterclockwise. Yeah, that removes it. W5W bulb. But let me actually go to the other side and verify that. Going by memory, it seems like they are exactly the same. But let's do this. So it will be the opposite again. That's the rear of the car, front of the car. Push it to the front, then pull the back side, then pull it backwards. Same thing though. Here, turn this counterclockwise. Oh, well, isn't that something? I'm gonna have to glue that together. But yeah, as I said, it is pretty much the same. Oh, see, it already had condensation in it. This thing was already messed up. But for whatever reason you wanted to make a change, it is. Let me actually do this. Okay, so the damage run is on the ground, and I'm going to try to install this. I said it is the same, so it should be the same, right? Yeah, it is. No, it is the same. Let me put my hand on it. Okay, it is the same. It installs in the same manner. The only difference was that during removal, this seemed to have a little more interference right here, or rather during installation. You see, it looks way tighter. I don't know why. But when you look at them side by side, they look very, very similar. There might be a difference that I just can't tell yet. Yeah, I'll confirm. Unless you hear anything contrary to that from me, I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say they are exactly the same. And if there's any difference, I'll post it in the description. I hope the video helps you in case you have to remove these, right?